Let's see how tenths and hundredths are related. What does 1/10 look like? Well, we can take a shape, and I've got a square, and divide it into equal parts. The denominator, the number at the bottom of our fraction, tells us how many equal parts. So I'm going to break this into 10 equal parts. Each of those parts is 1/10. Now, I need to shade one of the tenths because the numerator is 1. So you can see that's what 1/10 looks like. Now, if I had made 10 rows instead of 10 columns, I could have this. That's also 1/10. What does 10 1/100ths look like? Well, I've got the same shape, but this time, instead of dividing it into tenths, I've got 100 as my denominator. So I need to divide it into 100 parts. So I'm going to put another set of lines that way. And I've now got 10 rows of 10 squares. So I've got 100 squares altogether. Each of them is 1/100th. My numerator is 10, so I need to shade 10 of those squares. So that is a row of 10 squares. I can shade all of those. That's 10 100ths. Now, if we put them side by side, you might notice something here. 1/10 and 10 100ths has the same value. It's just that one has more pieces that are smaller. So 1/10 is equal or equivalent to 10 100ths. What about 3/10ths? Well, let's have our shape broken into 10 equal parts, and we need to shade 3 of them. So there's 3/10ths. And if we think of 30 hundredths, we need our shape broken into 100 equal parts, and we need to shade 30 of them. That's 10, 20, 30. So there's 30 hundredths. And you can see they take up the same amount of space, so they have the same value. 3/10ths is equivalent to 30 hundredths.